The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 132. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court, in appeals from High Courts in certain cases. 1. An appeal shall lie to the Supreme Court, from any judgment, decree, or final order of a High Court, in the territory of India, whether in a civil, criminal or other proceeding, if the High Court certifies under Article 134A, that the case involves a substantial question, of law, as to the interpretation of this Constitution. 3. Where such a certificate is given, any party in the case may appeal to the Supreme Court, on the ground that any such question as aforesaid has been wrongly decided. Explanation. For the purposes of this article, the expression, final order, includes an order deciding an issue which, if decided in favor of the appellant, would be sufficient for the final disposal of the case.